Energy is changing faster than ever. The challenge? Making power reliable, efficient, and sustainable. The future of energy isn't just generation. It's intelligent storage. Introducing outdoor energy storage systems from Polinovel. Built for flexible deployment. From commercial facilities to industrial projects. Engineered for demanding outdoor environments. Built for long-term reliability. Inside, high-density LiFePO4 battery technology delivers safe and stable performance. Intelligent system control helps optimize every watt of energy. Safety comes first. Multi-layer protection, thermal management, and integrated fire suppression help ensure safe operation. Reduce energy costs. Store excess solar power. Keep operations running during outages. Designed for smarter commercial energy management. At Polinovel, we focus on reliable products, responsive support, and long-term partnership. From manufacturing to delivery, every system is built with precision and care. Ready to power your future with confidence. Contact Polinovel today to find the right ESS solution for your project.